Hi friends, I'm Kazel and I'm so happy that you are joining the 2023 Digital Planner Creation Masterclass. This is a series of free videos where I will show you the step-by-step process on how I create a digital planner. So let's start with the things that you will be needing to create your 2023 digital planner. To create a digital planner, you will only be needing 2 items, and the rest will just be an added bonus which will improve the speed and ease of creation. So let's start with the 2 most important items. The first one is the device you will be using to create the digital planner, and it is highly likely that you already have this. You can use your phone, a laptop, desktop, or your tablet. I will be using my 12.9-inch iPad Pro 2020 in this class, but the process will almost be the same whatever device you will be using. So it's okay if you don't have an iPad. The other important thing that you will be needing for this class is an app or a software which will let you create a hyperlink PDF file. This can be the Keynote app for the Apple devices, and you can also use Microsoft PowerPoint if that is what's available to you, and you can use other apps and softwares as long as you can create a hyperlink PDF file. If you have these 2 items, you are good to go. But if you are thinking of upgrading your setup or you want to know the other items that I use when creating a digital planner, keep on watching. The first one is my 2nd generation Apple Pencil. I bought this along with my iPad 2 years ago and I still use them both. And when creating a digital planner, I always use my Apple Pencil. It definitely speeds up the process from creating the design elements to resizing the other elements of the digital planner. And the second one is my Sketchboard Pro. I am so happy that I bought this early last year. I almost always use this when using my iPad, not just when I'm creating a digital planner. And I have the black version, which was the only color available then, but I think they released the color white version recently. And if you're thinking of buying one, you can use the link below to get a discount. And lastly is my screen protector. And to be honest, this screen protector has been on my iPad for more than 2 years now, and it's not working in the texture department anymore. What I mean is it doesn't feel like a paper anymore, and I am meaning to buy a paper-like screen protector soon because I have been hearing a lot of praise about that product. And this current screen protector that I have, I bought this from Amazon and it was great, though it has lost its texture, but understandably because it has been years, but the anti-glare is still there. So while I have not bought a new one yet, I will still keep this on my iPad for that. And those are the items that you will be needing to create a digital planner. So if you're ready to create your yearly digital planner with me, comment ready in the comment section below and see you in the next video. Bye!